Shanti, wake up. But come check on you, but my son left out.
Richard, I really missed you.
No worry, man. I'm gonna spend the whole weekend with you. How you feeling?
Honestly tired. I feel sick all the time, but my mother's been helping me out. Did you tell your parents about the baby? My mother's saying that I should give it up. What do you think? I really don't want to give it up.
Honestly, I think that's best. I mean, me already have a baby. I don't think my parents are gonna like the idea, so I have a next one on the way.
Well, everything's up to you at the end of the day, Shanti. I mean, if you want to keep the baby, I guess I'll pitch.
Really, Richard? Because I was thinking I wanted to keep the baby. I really do. I think this would be great for the both of us. And I'm gonna start working. I'm gonna get a job at the call center. I think me and you can even get our own place and move out. What do you think? It's up to you.
I don't know if that's one good idea. My parents want me for college. I think I can come live with you. But me will think over everything, alright? And then me come check you later. Yo, but not lie. Like really, your body a freak. Clean my rifle well clean. You need to step your game up, bro. If you want sister and you want meet her. Yo dog, you hear me I talk to you? She was sister. Well sexy too. Come on man. When since you get so boring? Oh, you and Cream are plan to get married or something? I mean, I never expect to see you with just one girl. After she left, I go page me other girl. But a big body girl named Abigail. Long time she want page me too, you know. Can't wait for that one day. Yo dog, you need to slow down a little bit and remember what happened to me. I mean, you know, I end up with something, right? What happened to Shanti? Make sure things to the two only did good. Now you're not buying no more condom. You're really out here. A rod, dog, them girl here, youth. Feel better that way there. Trust me. Yeah man, it gonna feel real better when you have a bag of pitney. I mean, you barely even pay Susie any attention. With some bad mind still, you know, I'm not lie. Anyways, daddy they always want a girl baby, so same girl baby there. You need to stop worrying about me. You really feel like if you pay her some attention, still like your daughter at the end of the day, daddy can do it all by himself. I mean, you know, you gonna feel when she grow up and she don't like you. You don't feel no way about that. I mean, yesterday me she called daddy daddy. I mean, daddy's our grandfather, you're our father. Youth, you listen to what me I say? Youth. Yo, that dog you a big wireless, you know man. You what think me that she say? You turn the wireless and me decent. Cheyenne, this is your sister. She named Shauna. Just wanted you to know about her and try to keep this from you. I just wanted to be honest and real with you. Cause you're my daughter and I love you.
I don't understand why you're so nonchalant about all of this. How could you have an outside baby from mommy? Like, what you think me for to keep this a secret and don't tell mommy about it? You cheat on my mother, you expect me to be alright with it?
Ryan, you look a girl, you don't understand what's going on between me and your mother.
Whatever, daddy. We can't believe you
Charlotte,
do this
please,
to
you
it.
have some understanding about me and your mother's situation. It's not like what you think, alright? Just listen to me, no man. Me and your mother have been unhappy for a while. I'm in love Sherry.
Oh, you love the side chick more than you love mommy? Okay, daddy, but understand.
Cheyenne.
Grandma, you invite me over to fair yard. I have a baby. I didn't even tell you about it until now. And the worst part of it is that you expect me to be alright with it. Alright with him cheating on my mother. I hate him so much.
Don't mean that you don't hate your daddy.
No, Grandma, I hate him. I wish he was my father. Me him still like all these other man. I thought him love mommy.
Listen, your father is not perfect, Cheyenne, but he loves you very much. He's a way better father than your grandfather ever was.
Daddy doesn't talk about Grandpa Daddy at all. Why?
Your grandfather was a real wicked man, Cheyenne. He only cared about himself.
Is this about Diana?
Listen, Cheyenne, we're not gonna get into the nitty-gritty about all of this, okay? Ricky's going to cook some dinner. You want to stay with us and have dinner?
Alright, Grandma.
Oh, you get a ball up my name. I guess you don't remember what I'd feel like. I mean, I don't know cream and I get none. You just learn off a bill them and you chat too much. What? A true thing though, I know you and cream and have sex. Can't see myself a talk to a girl so long and she not give me no front. You a bored man? I mean, if you're a real girlish, you would have about 10 girl already. Like how you used to. But look like cream a tie you. Dude. Ease yourself, no man. Don't talk about her like that. Watch man, I get defensive. But a true thing. I mean, you used to get all that girl them now look upon you now. I'm surprised. I mean, if you feel that way, I mean you're too young for you to settle down already. You talk, my youth. You have a pitney. You're not on the game. You don't even know if you put on a condom correctly. Or you won't even have Susie. That just shows me fruitful. So me have a youth. What you have to say about that? Hear the man. My youth just like some big idiot. You have to shame about this shit. Or if you have a pitney already. You're not even finished high school properly yet. So, just show you say, ladies them love me. My baby mother one big woman. I mean was a big woman. Yeah, real great daddy. You have your parents to take care of your daughter. You have one waste man and you even see it. Oh look, Tamika, one little girl want me. You're jealous, right? Jealous? My man, just a waste man who don't even take care and pitney. You're just a freaking waste man, that's all you ever was. Easy man, you can't even get one fat girl to open her legs for you. Who's the waste man here? What, true? My girl have some class. I mean, she shouldn't have opened up her leg for just anybody. At least she a virgin and like look over them where you talk to. Well, anyways bro, me I go meet up with 2 girls today. Experience my first threesome. Well, you there? I'll do your homework as usual. Now I'll get no front. Does this say why you're some mad though? But that's why I'm not get vexed with you. If you must see back up, your back must be strong now. Come on, a bitch, you know, bro. Just remember that. So the way you go on, watch and see what gonna happen to you. Bad mind at its best. Shit, what the hell? What happened? The first part of your karma there. Now wait for the rest. Also, you not take care of your pitney. You are gonna see.